Hello, this is Monto. This tutorial is the second part to a 2-bridge tutorial series. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial, please make sure to do so before watching this one. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can bridge your Ethereum side Alephium tokens back over to Alephium. Let's get started. Navigating back to the Token Bridge portal website, make sure you click on the little arrow button in the middle of the page to change the direction of the bridge. Make sure it says Ethereum Goerli to Alephium. If everything's good, unlock and connect your MetaMask wallet. Now that we have connected our wallet, we need to select the token we want to bridge. Press the Select the Token button and choose the token you want to swap. For this tutorial, we will be bridging Alephium back over from Ethereum to the Alephium network. If you don't see your Alephium tokens on the menu, make sure you copy the contract address from the description of this video and input it into the search name or paste address field. Choose the amount of tokens you want to bridge and press Next. In this step, we're going to be connecting our Alephium extension wallet to the bridge using the Connect button and choosing the extension wallet option. Once your extension wallet pops up, choose the wallet you want to bridge your tokens to and press Connect. Once your wallet is connected, you will see the amount of ALF you currently hold on both your Ethereum and Alephium wallets. If everything is good, press the Next button. For this next step, we will need to approve the tokens for transfer. By pressing the Approve button, a prompt will appear and you will need to set the spending cap on your ALF tokens. In this case, we want to set the spending cap to 10, as that is what we want to bridge. Once that is done and you have verified everything on screen, press the Approve button. It will take a couple of seconds or minutes for the transaction to confirm. Once the transaction is confirmed, you're ready to transfer your ALF tokens to the bridge. Press the Transfer button and a prompt will appear. If everything is correct, press Confirm. Move your attention over to the MetaMask pop-up, verify all the information, and once you're ready, press Confirm. The transaction will take at least 10 to 15 minutes to reach finality on the Ethereum side, so sit back and relax until your tokens are ready to be redeemed. Oh no, it seems as though you have clicked off the page and the process seems to have seized up. This usually happens when you click off the page, or your MetaMask or Alephium extension wallets automatically lock themselves. Or there is an internal error. But it's okay, don't worry about it. Using the TX hash provided to you, you can copy it and head on over to the redeem page, where you can initiate the redeem process manually. If you kept the page open, the website will input the TX hash automatically in for you. But in a case that it does not automatically input it in for you, or you have navigated away from the page, you can copy your TX hash and head on over to the redeem page. Select the source chain, in this case Ethereum, but also make sure to connect your wallet, and paste your TX hash to continue the process. Once you are ready to recover your tokens with your MetaMask and Alephium wallet unlocked, press Recover, verify all the information presented to you, and press the Redeem button. A prompt will appear. Make sure to closely review the transaction before signing it. If everything is correct, press Sign. The transaction will take a moment to confirm, but once it is done, you should see your Alephium has arrived back in your wallet. Share, like, and comment and tell us what you want to learn next.